Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool. I'm gonna put it right here in my hand, and basically what this is a writing tablet. So you can see this one actually looks really cool and really cute as well. They have this available in 3 different colors: red, yellow, and blue. But when you guys look at the bottom part here, they tell you guys some of the specs that's on here. And if you turn in the back side right here, they tell you guys some more specs that's on here. But that's basically everything that's on the product. Now let me just open up to show you guys what the inside looks like and what is actually included. So when you guys first open it up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So right underneath the product, they do give you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. But this is basically what the product looks like. If you can see, it definitely looks really cute. On the bottom right here, they do give you guys a little pen or stylus that's in use. So you basically want to just take out the pen like this. So once you guys take out the pen, then you start writing stuff on here. Alright, so you can see it actually does work. So that is basically how you guys use the pen and the product. Very straightforward. You guys can just write whatever you guys want on here. If you can see, definitely very sensitive. And once you guys are done using the product, or once you guys want to erase it, you guys want to press on the nose right here to actually erase it. So let me actually show you guys what I mean. So 3, 2, 1. And that literally just erased everything on the actual screen or the tablet right here, which is pretty cool. And then if you guys want to write something on here and you don't want anyone to erase it, let me show you guys how to do that. So let me actually write something on here first. Alright, so I just wrote that for now. If we turn to the back side right here, you guys can see that there's a lock button right here. So right now it's unlocked, but if I turn it this way, that will lock the erase button. So if I try to erase it now, it won't erase until I unlock the back part. So if I unlock it, if I try again, it works. So that's definitely a really cool feature. If you guys end up writing something on here and you don't want your kids or your family to actually erase it, you guys can just lock it so that way it actually stays there. And then see right here, this is basically where you guys want to replace the battery. So you just want to push it out and then replace the battery inside. And that is basically everything that's on the product. So you can see from the test of the product, it's actually really cool. This is definitely like a huge upgrade compared to what I actually used as a kid. Like we had to use crayons and papers and everything, and it made such a huge mess. Whereas nowadays, you guys get these writing tablets where you can just write whatever you guys want on here and just erase everything by the click of one button. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and testing on the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product in particular, I definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys have kids. These are perfect to give as a gift to your kids or whatever. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.